I'm late. It's the first day of school. Good morning, Miss Santos.
Mr. Rosario, really? First day and you are late?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I promise this won't happen again.
Sit down quickly. I was about to start the lesson. Hey, come over here. Sit next to us.
Hi.
Tell me, why were you late?
I'm fixing my hair and my eyeliner betrayed me. And the traffic made everything worse.
Or maybe you're just really slow.
Excuse me?
Girl, you're worried and you're out here giving attitude.
Sorry, okay?
Cassandra, late and noisy? Do you want to collect penalties on your first day?
A few moments later.
Okay, let's pause. You may take a 15-minute break.
Yes, perfect. Hey, cover me. I need a nap.
Yeah, sure. Hey, Cassandra, wake up. It's lunchtime.
Look, Cassandra, isn't that important?
Nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr. Right ka ba?
What about my friend?
Of course, the more the merrier.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba magbabalik ngiti sa aking mga mata? Si Mr. Right ka ba?
Mom is calling me for being late.
Why were you late?
It took me forever with my makeup.
I can tell. No word away, no. Want me to wake it up with you with ice cream?
Okay, but only if it's double scoop.
Bagikan ko ang nadarama, makita lang kita ng isang saglit. Ang araw ko ay buong buo, sa gabi ikaw ang panaginip dahil sa iyo.
Hey, Sean, there you are.
Who's that?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, Cassandra. Bye, guys. Bye.
Dahil sa iyo, puso ko'y sumasayaw, isip di mapadali.
Sure, are you going to play?
What if I join?
Why not?
You really cheer me, huh?
Only if you're scar.
Ngiti ay laging nasa labi, nakakakaba, nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, nakakabaliw, napapaganda, napapaisip, napapang
Join us.
Are you sure? I'm not good at playing basketball.
Well, I don't mind. We just want to play with you.
Alright, I'm in.
Basketball, basketball. Ang sarap-sarap mag-basketball. Ang lapad ng court, ang linis ng court, ang luwang ng ring ng basketball. Pwedeng mag-dribble bago ka mag-shoot.
Miss Rosario, why are you screaming?
Nothing, Mom. I was just startled because of Stella.
Why am the one who's getting blamed?
Anyway, class, let's proceed. Today's topic is all about information dissemination. So, information dissemination is active process of spreading, sharing, and distributing information to a broad audience through various methods to inform, educate, or facilitate. For example, me, I'm disseminating some information by explaining. To you, now information dissemination works clear?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm late.
Okay, class, meet your new transferee from NU.
Oh, look, new classmate.
He's not even that handsome. Probably not my type.
No, look.
You?
Panaginip lang ba nung ika'y nakilala? Katabi sa klase, chikahan ang naging hobby. Panaginip lang ba nung ika'y napatawa? Sa matalik na kaibigan na hindi namamalayan. Hindi ko